What's happening, good people? Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. I want to get right to it. I want to talk about young men seeking fatherly advice. This is why a lot of our young men are out here doing those things. They seek fatherly advice from friends. They are peers raising peers. And with that being the transition, they're not getting the maturity, they're not getting the mental stability, they're not getting with what an older man experience can help them be able to grow. Since they don't have their fathers, they seek fatherly advice from their friends and their peers and other people that they seek on TV because they're looking and crying at the same time, but also deflecting and reflecting on what they don't have. In order to help build that, we first have to do what? Come together as men to help them see what we experience and impart life and speak life and not tear down their experience. Your greatness of adversity and trauma, destroying the cycle start with you.